Hi there guys, I'm Chris Bowden with the Geek Group. Today we are doing a test of our awesome air raid siren. It is the first of the month. It is June 1st and it's just before noon. What we're going to do is wind this up and fire it off for 30 seconds non-stop. So enjoy the show. It's going to be a very fun and very loud experience. I know there's a lot of guys out there who really enjoy our air raid siren, so we figured we'd do a full power test just for you guys. It's the first of the month, so we're going to toggle it off here in just a second. Enjoy the show. 30 seconds! If you've got hearing protection, now's the time. It's going to be loud, but it won't hurt you. 20! 10! 3, 2, 1! That's 1 minute. It took 30 seconds to wind down. That's cool. Great. And the neighbors love us. All right, so that was the air raid siren. I want to thank everybody for watching. You guys have fun. I know it's a simple, short, sweet video, but we've had a lot of requests out there from people that wanted to see the air raid siren fire. So there you go. You guys have fun and stay safe. I'm Chris Bowden with the Geek Group. We'll see you next time.
This video was made possible by a grant from the Future Girl Foundation.
This video was made possible by thousands of private donations from members and viewers like you. Please visit thegeekgroup.org for more information on how you can donate and become a part of our dreams of Avalon.